If you have been hearing about stock market investing and you are still contemplating on whether you want to start investing in the stock market or not, and you are not sure whether it's the right thing for you to do, then this video is for you. If you are new here, my name is Uthman and I talk about personal finance, investing, and sometimes about nursing on this channel. So why do you need to invest? First off, what is investing? So investing is technically getting your money work for you. So if you are looking for a way to grow your money, rather than just keeping your money in the bank and the money is not doing anything, just earning a little interest here and there, then investing is what you'll be looking towards. If you are looking to hedge against inflation, you are trying to prevent your money from losing its value, then investing in the stock market can be an option for you to consider. Bear in mind that investing always comes with risk, but just like anything, every investment comes with risk. And everyone I've known that have actually built anything in their life, they took some certain risk. So if you really want to build your money, then you should be willing to take this risk of investing in the stock market or in anything. But this video is going to be focused on investing in the stock market. I need to clarify that I'm not a qualified financial advisor. Everything in this video is solely for educational purpose and entertainment. So why do you need to start investing in the stock market? First off, like I said, it hedges against inflation. As we all know, £1,000 last year, or whatever currency that you are spending in your country, is different from £1,000 today because the buying power has reduced. That is what is called inflation. In order to hedge against this, so that your money will not be losing this power, will not be losing its value, then you need to get this money working for you. And the good thing about the stock market is that you don't really require much before you can start investing, and it grows your money. If you invest in a low-cost index fund in the market, a typical example is the S&P 500. It has been known to generate an average of 7 to 10% over the years, and inflation rate is lesser than that. Meanwhile, if you keep the money in the bank, the interest rate that the banks are offering is lower than inflation rate. So in order to hedge against this inflation, you need to get your money into this market. You can all see in all the shops today what you can buy last year, the money today, we just buy few things. So that is the money losing its power. If you don't want this to happen, then you need to get your money working for you. The second reason why you need to get your money working for you in the stock market is the fact that the stock market is accessible to anyone, anywhere around the world. What do I mean by this? Anyone have access to investing in the stock market. All you need for you to do is get a regulated brokerage in your country, register with them, and then you can start investing in countries across the world, not just in your country. You can invest in countries in America, India, Asia, everywhere. So the stock market gives you this kind of access. What other investment gives someone this kind of access? Any other investment will require you to have a lot of money, have a lot of connections before you can do that. But you can become a part owner of a big company like Apple, Amazon, Tesla via the stock market without any connection, without any huge amount of money. This access is something that should not be taken for granted. Many people have built wealth through the stock market. All the richest people in the world that you can think of, they've built something in this market, and you can build something too. They all have stake in the market. Warren Buffett have stake in the stock market. Elon Musk have stakes in the stock market. Jeff Bezos, name all of them. They all have stakes in the stock market, and you can invest in their company through the stock market. So it gives you this kind of access. Another thing the stock market gives you, and one of the reasons why you should consider it, is the fact that it gives you diversification. You can easily get good diversification to invest in different industries in the stock market. You can invest in consumer staples, by investing in company like Procter and Gamble, Unilever, through the stock market. You can even invest in the real estate through real estate investment trust via the stock market. You can invest in the tech sector by investing in all the tech giants, the Magnificent Sevens. You can buy any big companies across the world through this market. And you don't need huge amount of money to do it. So it gives you this form of diversification. Even if you don't want to invest in individual stocks, you can buy funds that it's a basket of company that allows you to invest in various companies around the world. A typical example, the All World ETF or the S&P 500. All World ETF has about 3,000 companies in it. The S&P 500 has 500 companies, the largest 500 company in the US in it. So look at that. It gives you this form of diversification. What sort of investment gives you this kind of diversification? It's just the stock market that gives you this. And this is one of the reasons why I like the stock market. Imagine you just somewhere in one part of United Kingdom, one part of United States, or just someone in Nigeria. You have access to invest in the 500 largest company in the US. What other asset class can give you this? So stock market investing is really important, and these are the reasons why you should consider investing in this market. Another reason why I believe people should consider the stock market investing is the capital that you require to start investing in the stock market is very low. The barrier to entry is very low. You don't need huge amount of money before you can start. All you need, if you are based in the UK, is just like £10. Some brokers will allow you to even open an account with £1. If you open your account, you can open an account with £1 and you start your investing with the £1. If you are in the US, you can open some account with $1 to start this journey. The barrier to entry is very small. All you need to do is download the app, register, and there you go, you can just start. But it's important that you have adequate information and adequate knowledge before you start putting your money to work if you don't really want to lose your money. Because like I said in the beginning, it's risky. If done wrong, you can lose money. So you need to play it right. Have a long-term mindset as well. Another reason why I like the stock market is the fact that liquidation. Let's say you invest in the stock market and you need your money for one thing or the other. Easily, you can just press sell and you sell the asset. Withdraw and the money is in your bank account within 24 hours. For most assets, it will take time before you can sell it. But the stock market gives you this kind of access to your money. The money is there at all time. All you need to do is press the sell and then you sell it. Except if you invest your money obviously in some certain accounts, depending on the country, that won't allow you to withdraw your money until maybe retirement. Example of things like Lifetime ISA in the UK. Maybe they have something similar in the US as well. But if you invest in normal investment account, like the stocks and shares ISA in the UK, then you can withdraw your money at any time, no restriction at all. So I like that because I like that access to my money. Money is not tied to anything. All you need to do is press sell and the money is back in your account. So it gives you this potential. So asset class that gives you this potential is something I think a lot of people should actually get in and get their money working for them. If you have any question about this stock market, then you can pop it down in the comment section. I'll be able to answer the question for you. And if you guys like videos like this, please comment. And if there is anything you want me to share about the stock market, put it in the comment section as well. I will be happy to do that. And if you enjoyed the video, like, share, and subscribe. I've also made a video here on step-by-step on how you can start investing in the stock market here in the UK. Has all the information that you need. So look at that and see how it works.